Welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to solve the question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. Find the equation of a line with slope -4 and passing through the point 4 and 5. A. X plus y equals 9. B. X plus 4y equals 11. C. 4x plus y equals 21. D. 3x plus 2y equals 10. E. 5x plus y equals 30. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same problem. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, as for the standard method, using the point-slope form of equation of a straight line, we get y minus 8 equals -4 times x minus 4. That is, y minus 5 equals -4x plus 16. That is, 4x plus y equals 21. And the answer is letter C. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 30 seconds. Not bad for the standard method. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option C. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem and how fast it can give us the answer. Alright, and in less than 1 minute, it gave us the correct answer, which is letter C. 4x plus y equals 21. Great job, ChatGPT. Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option C. Let's see if Gemini can give us the answer as fast as ChatGPT can. Alright, it already gave us the answer, which is letter C. 4x plus y equals 21, and that's the correct answer, and definitely faster than ChatGPT. Great job! As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. We already know the slope of intercept form as y equals mx plus c. The slope here is given as -4. Thus, y equals -4x plus c, or 4x plus y equals c. Thus, the coefficient of x should be 4. Only option C satisfies this condition, and hence it is the answer. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 5 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.